Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peter and I'm so excited to have you here today. In this video, I'll be talking about RSR project. Now, this is the fourth video of my top 10 coin for massive gain in 2021. So in this video, I'll be talking about RSR and then how much attention you should pay to it. But before I get into that, let me quickly say this is not financial advice, and if you should always do your research before you make any investment in cryptocurrency or anything I talk about on this channel. So that said, let me also say that you should, if you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed, a lot of people watch my video but they don't subscribe. So if you are not subscribed on this channel, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can be alerted when new video drop on the channel. There are fantastic content coming up and you don't want to miss any of them. So enable the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. That said, let's get into the reserve token. I'm going to talk about it in the light of three things basically. Now I'm going to talk about the use case, I'm going to talk about the investment behind it, and I'm going to end it with the price prediction, and then maybe we can add one more to it. So there's not so much detail in the public space about this project, but then let's make do with what we currently have. Now I'm in hurry to get to the investment, but let's not jump. So what is RSR? RSR is a stable coin with digital currency for countries with high inflation. Basically, that's what they do. So a stable digital currency for country with high inflation. That's what they do. So you say you protect your money, you send money across border, easily accept payment. Those three things are what, so you can download their white paper here. So RSR has two tokens basically. That's the RSR RSV and then the RSR rights token. Now this is the one you invest in. This is a stable coin that is being used. This is the one you invest in. So let's continue. Now meet the team. So these are the team, but I'm currently trying to raise up to, okay, now here we have, these are investors in the RSR token. So look at this. We have Coinbase Venture, and what is this saying to you? This is telling you that sometimes very soon we might have RSR listed on Coinbase, and you and I know what that means. So Coinbase is a digital currency exchange headquarters in San Francisco and originally incubated by Y Combinator. Coinbase Venture is an early stage venture fund focused on investing in blockchain related companies. So like I said, with what we have here, we might just have this coin on Coinbase very soon now because it is an in-house thing. Now another thing is there's also PayPal founder. There are PayPal guys also on this page on this project, and then among other huge investors and then capital ventures here. So you want to pay attention to all of these guys and make sure that you understand. So we have Refactor Capital, we have Cryptolotus. So we have great guys here, but I'm very particular about two basically, the Coinbase guys and the PayPal guys. Now these guys obviously know what they are doing, so if they are in a project, you should look into that project deeper. Now not just because they have money and they know what they are doing, but this is their industry. They've been in the especially the PayPal guy, they've been in the payment industry for a while, so they should know what can fly and what will not fly just by seeing it. So now that's one thing about RSR project. The other thing about the RSR project is this. Now looking at it currently, Ripple is having issues the XRP token is having issues. And then I'm saying that it might just be, in terms of use case, Reserve might just be a coin that can take over the functionality of Ripple in the marketplace. Now, conveniently, I see this coin sitting in first 20 or first 10 of this market by the end of 2021, and that's huge gain. Now let's go to the price and let's look at that. Now the price is currently at 1 cent. Yes, 1 cent. So we can still buy under 2 cents. That's what it means. The price is almost 2 cents. Now, if we the all-time high of this coin is currently around 3 cents. The all-time high is currently around 3 cents. So the truth is, this project does not have mainnet yet. It's still on testnet, and you know what's going to happen when it goes on mainnet and all of those things happening. But then look at those angles we've spoken from. We've spoken from the angle of the investors. Now, some people will invest just based on that, based on the fact that these guys are on this project, and it is a very valid one, because these guys don't just invest, they don't just invest. So the question is, what is the technical saying about this project? Now, currently price is trying to sustain itself above the 13.2 after being rejected at the 61.8 level, which is a good one. So now, but the question, the issue is this. Of course, it's a good, if you buy now, it's a good one because price is still below 2 cents now. But then to see what's going to happen here is the huge movement, I think, in my opinion, is going to start when price break out of this trend line. You can see this trend line goes all the way from the very beginning, that is the all-time high, down to where we currently are. So price is moving from, if price gets to eventually break out of this, we might eventually see this thing taken out. And another thing is this. This is a double bottom pattern. Let me quickly show you something here. Yes. This is it. Look at this. Look at this. This is one. Now this is first bottom. This is the neckline. Now this is another bottom, which is not as low as the first bottom. So for people that have gone through my technical analysis classes, you know that this is still also a valid one. So this is supposed to be second bottom, and the movement, but really we can call what happened here the retest of the neckline. But then we cannot deny the fact that this could also be a retest of because it is retesting the same level. So what are we likely to see next? What are we likely to see next after such retest? Now, market moved this way. And the next thing is, in my opinion, somewhere here. So that will easily give you some 50% profit to start with. Yes, that. And then to look at it again, look at this is a low, this is a high, this is a higher low, higher high, higher low, which is the same, almost the same at the level of the higher of the high. And then what are we likely to see next? What another higher high to form a higher low, and then to the moon. So let me know what you think about this token in the comment section. Drop your question, drop your comment. I would love to read from you. So if you find value in this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that you can get alerted. We're still going to 10 or even more. So this is just the fourth one, and there's so much more in stock. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.